Hello student, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is MCQs on elements of industrial automation. This is a very important subject and the MCQs on unit 2nd, 5th and 6th. Second unit is Introduction to Industrial Automation. Then the PLC wiring and logic ladder logic diagram, 5th lesson, and 6th is the Introduction of Power System Automation. So now we start. Here see first is types of buses used in the industrial automation is are factory bus, process bus or the field bus. So option 4 is correct, that is statement A, B and C are true. Means types of buses used in the industrial automation are factory bus, also process bus and also the field bus. So next question is, in an industrial automation process, visualization and parameterization is done at. मीन्स व्हिज्युअलायझेशन आणि पॅरामीटरायझेशन ही प्रोसेस कशा डन होते, तर आन्सर आहे सुपरवायझरी लेवल. इज डन ॲट सुपरवायझरी लेवलवरती व्हिज्युअलायझेशन आणि पॅरामीटरायझेशन डन होते. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज OLR used in motor starter circuit stands for. OLR long form is that overload relay. O for over, L for load and R for relay. Means overload relay used in motor starter circuits. Question number next is, in an industrial automation process sensors and actuators are used at. in म्हणजे की इंडस्ट्रियल ऑटोमेशनच्या प्रोसेसमध्ये सेन्सर्स आणि ॲक्च्युएटर्स हे यूज्ड कुठे होतात, तर कंट्रोल लेवलवरती, सुपरवायझरी लेवल, ऑल ऑफ दी और दी फील्ड लेवल. So, in an industrial automation process, sensors and actuators are used at field level. Automation means काय आहे, तर ऑप्शन्स आहेत वर्कर्स कंट्रोल दी मशीन्स, सेकंड इज असिस्टिंग और रिप्लेसिंग ह्यूमन्स विथ मशीन्स, increased productivity. So all these are in the automation. means या सर्वाचा मिनिंग होतो की ऑटोमेशनमध्ये हे सर्व काही होते. तर ऑप्शन्स आर दीज अँड आन्सर इज ऑल ऑफ दी अबोव. ऑटोमेशन मीन्स वर्कर्स कंट्रोल दी मशीन, असिस्टिंग और रिप्लेसिंग ह्यूमन्स विथ मशीन अँड इन्क्रीज प्रोडक्टिव्हिटी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ HMI. HMIचे मेन फंक्शन कोणते आहेत, तर A is data input and display, B is real-time information display of the operating status of the system or equipment, C is alarm processing and printing. So the statement A, B, C are true. Human main interference, that is the HMI. Question number next is, a favorable reason for automation is to. Favorable reason कोणते आहेत, तर A is decrease production of cost, B is increased number of operations, C is perform difficult operations. So statement A and C are true, means decrease production cost and perform different operation. So light sensors means what? Light sensor means come in a wide variety of mounting style. Light sensors come in a wide variety of mounting styles. Next question is, to maintain prescribed temperature in a heating system, which of the following component is required? मीन्स प्रिस्क्राईब टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करण्यासाठी हीटिंग सिस्टीममध्ये कोणते कॉम्पोनंट रिक्वायर्ड असतात, तर ऑप्शन्स आहेत लेव्हल डिटेक्टर, ॲनेमोमीटर, थर्मोस्टॅट. तर ऑप्शन हे आहेत आणि आन्सर आहे थर्मोस्टॅट. मीन्स थर्मोस्टॅट इज यूज for maintain prescribed temperature in a heating system. Question number next is, the main function of HMI are. So all these A, B and C are true. Question number next is, flexible automation in manufacturing allows for quick and inexpensive product changes, tool design and tool production, factory management, automated design. So the flexible automation in manufacturing allows for quick and inexpensive product changes. Next is supervisory levels in an industrial automation is middle level, any of this, base level, top level. So the supervisory levels in an industrial automation is top level. Means supervisory level industrial automation मध्ये ही top level आहे. Next question is four basic elements are required for an automated machine, tool or production process. They are input interface, memory, output interface and hardware, logic, computer graphic workstation, ANSI tape, programming. So the answer is logic. Means four basic elements are required for an automated machine tool or production process. They are first is input interface, second is memory, third is output interface and fourth is logic. Next question is relay ladder logic is used in a PLC because relay ladder logic PLC मध्ये यूज होतं पण त्याचे कारण काय आहे. तर ऑप्शन्स आहेत इट इज द बेस्ट इंडस्ट्रियल कंट्रोल लँग्वेज एव्हर डेव्हलप्ड. It is impossible to write a control program for a machine in any other logic. All of this or most industrial control personnel are familiar with relay ladder logic diagram and this is the easiest for them to use. So the relay ladder logic is used in a PLC because most industrial control personnel are familiar with relay ladder logic diagrams and this is the easiest for them to use. So next question is levels of industrial automations are मीन्स ऑटोमेशनच्या मध्ये एक ट्रायंगल दाखवलेला होता ज्यामध्ये मी एक्सप्लेन केलेलं आहे. त्यामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या लेवल आहेत सुपरवायझरी कंट्रोल आणि फील्ड. तर त्यामध्ये इंडस्ट्रियल ऑटोमेशनमध्ये कोणत्या लेवल्स आहेत तर हे ऑप्शन्स आहेत आणि आन्सर आहे की ऑल ऑफ दिस मीन्स या तिन्ही लेवल इंडस्ट्रियल ऑटोमेशनमध्ये आहेत. सो लेवल्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल ऑटोमेशन्स आर सुपरवायझरी लेवल, कंट्रोल लेवल अँड फील्ड लेवल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अ स्टेपर मोटर कॅन run at varying speed, can run both clockwise and counterclockwise, can be operated by PLC. So statement A, B and C are true. Means a stepper motor can run at varying speed, can run both clockwise and counterclockwise and also they can be operated by PLC. So here see the next question. The fundamental motivations for implementing industrial automations are reduce production rate, reduce energy use, reduce business profit, reduce requirement of raw material. So the fundamental motivations for implementing industrial automation are reduce energy use. Next question is programmable controllers. Programmable controllers कोणते आहेत तर ऑप्शन ए आहे आर प्रोग्राम युजिंग रिले ladder logic. Second is cannot perform functions other than relay logic. C's are widely used in many different industries. So programmable controllers are A and C means are programmed using relay ladder logic and are widely used in many different industries. Types of automation system usually used in continuous flow process like conveyors and mass production system is fixed automation system. Means types of automation system usually used in continuous flow process like conveyors and mass production system is fixed automation system. Next is which of the following is used for much larger distributed control such as applications like large packing lines. So the PAC is used for much larger distributed control such as application like large packing lines. PACs much large distributed controls. So next is interlocks are essential in. Options are DOL starter, auto transformer starter, star data starter. So the correct answer is star data starter means interlocks are essential in star delta starter because in this starting there will be use the delta and then the start. So in this the interlocks are very essential. Then choose correct options related to power system automation. पॉवर सिस्टीम ऑटोमेशनच्या रिलेटेड कोणतं करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट आहे तर ऑप्शन्स आहेत नो पोटेन्शियल सायबर अटॅक अँड सिक्युरिटी प्रॉब्लेम, पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ पोटेन्शियल सायबर अटॅक अँड सिक्युरिटी, इन्क्रीज्ड सिस्टीम इम्प्लिमेंटेड कॉस्ट. सो द करेक्ट आन्सर इज पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ पोटेन्शियल सायबर अटॅक अँड सिक्युरिटी. मीन्स पॉवर सिस्टीम ऑटोमेशनमध्ये सायबर अटॅकचा पॉसिबिलिटी असतात. देन नेक्स्ट इज in stepper motor, controller using PLC drive circuit of the stepper motor in connected to. Input of the PLC in the ladder diagram of PLC, power supply of PLC, output of PLC. So the answer is output of PLC means in a stepper motor controller using PLC, driver circuit of the stepper motor is connected to output of PLC. Next is in an industrial automation process, sensors and actuators are used as field level or programmable logic controller. Both A and B means can be reprogrammed in the field and require not a C. A and B means can be reprogrammed in the field and can be used on more than one machine during its lifetime. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.